नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। I am Dr. Hemant Vyas, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss about kyphosis. Kyphosis is also known as Scheuermann's disease, round back, hunchback, or postural kyphosis. Definition: it is a curving of spine that causes bowing or rounding of the back, which leads to hunchback or slouching posture. In short, we can say that kyphosis is excessive posterior curvature of the thoracic spine. Causes, incidence and risk factors. Kyphosis can occur at any age, although it is rare at birth. Adolescent kyphosis, also known as Scheuermann's disease, is caused by wedging together of several bones of spine in a row. The cause of Scheuermann's disease is unknown. In adults, kyphosis can be caused by degenerative diseases of spine such as arthritis or disc degeneration, fracture caused by osteoporosis, osteoporotic compression fracture, injury, that is trauma, slipping of one vertebra forward on another. Other causes of kyphosis include certain endocrine diseases, connective tissue disorders, infections such as tuberculosis, muscular dystrophies, neurofibromatosis, Paget disease, poliomyelitis, spina bifida, and tumors. Now in this photograph we can see congenital kyphosis. Clinical photograph: an MRI scan of a child with an abrupt congenital kyphosis in the thoracic spine. The MRI scan shows a posteriorly located hemivertebra causing impingement on the spinal cord. Kyphosis can also be seen with scoliosis. Each cause has its own risk factors. Symptoms: difficulty breathing, fatigue, mild back pain, round back appearance, and tenderness and stiffness in the spine. Examination: physical examination by a healthcare provider confirms the abnormal curve of the spine. The doctor will also look for any nerve symptoms, that is neurological signs, changes, weakness, paralysis, or changes in sensation below the curve. Examination: spine X-ray, pulmonary function test, and MRI are needed during the course of treatment. Treatment depends on the cause of the disorder. Congenital kyphosis requires corrective surgery at an early age. Scheuermann's disease is treated with a brace and physical therapy. Occasionally, surgery is needed for large, greater than 60-degree painful curves. Treatment depends on cause of disorder, like multiple compression fracture from osteoporosis can be left alone if there are no nerve system problem in pain. However, the osteoporosis need to be treated to help prevent further fractures. For debilitating deformity or pain, surgery is an option. Kyphosis should be caused by infection or tumor needs to be treated more aggressively, often with surgery and medications. Treatment for other types of kyphosis depend on the cause. Surgery may be necessary if neurological symptoms or persistent pain develop. Expectations or prognosis after the treatment: adolescents with Scheuermann's disease tend to do well even if they need surgery, and the disease stops once they stop growing. If the kyphosis is due to degenerative joint diseases or multiple compression fracture, surgery is needed to correct the defect and improve pain. Complications may arise like decreased lung capacity, disabling back pain, neurological symptoms including leg weakness or paralysis, and round back deformity. Prevention is by treating and preventing osteoporosis can prevent many cases of kyphosis in the elderly. Early diagnosis and tracing of Scheuermann's disease can reduce the need for surgery, but there is no way to prevent the disease. That's it from the presentation. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with the digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.